Most people visit Southeast Asia for Bangkok, Bali, and Phuket. But beyond those famous places lies another world. A world of untouched beaches, mountain villages frozen in time, and islands so quiet, you can hear the wind in the palms. In 2026, these hidden gems won't stay secret for long. So today, I'm taking you deep into Southeast Asia, to show you 12 incredible destinations tourists still don't know about, across Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and the Philippines. And for each place, I'll tell you why it's special, how much it costs, how to get there, and the best time to visit. Let's begin. 1. Koh Yao Noi, Thailand. Most travelers rush to Phuket or Krabi, but few cross the water to Koh Yao Noi. Here, you'll find fishing villages, empty beaches, and slow island life. No beach clubs. No crowds. Just sea, jungle, and silence. Cost. Guest houses from $20-40 per night. Local meals for $2-4. How to get there. Boat from Phuket or Krabi, 30 to 45 minutes. Best time. November to April 2. Ban Rak Thai, Thailand. Hidden in the mountains near the Myanmar border, Ban Rak Thai feels more like rural China than Thailand. Tea plantations roll over misty hills. Wooden houses line a still lake. And mornings arrive wrapped in fog. Cost. Hotels from $25, meals $3-5. How to get there. Bus to Mae Hong Son, then taxi or motorbike. Best time. November to February 3. Con Dao, Vietnam. Con Dao is Vietnam's forgotten paradise. Once a prison island, now one of the most pristine beach destinations in Asia. White sand, turquoise water, and jungle-covered hills surround you. Sea turtles nest here. Sunsets feel unreal. Cost. Hotels from $30, seafood meals $4-6. How to get there. Flight from Ho Chi Minh City or ferry from Vung Tau. Best time. March to September 4. Phu Luang, Vietnam. Sapa gets the fame. Phu Luang keeps the magic. Terraced rice fields spill down mountainsides. Villages still farm by hand. Buffalo roam freely through misty valleys. Cost. Eco lodges from $25, meals $2-4. How to get there. Bus from Hanoi to Tan Hoa, then taxi. Best time. May to June and September to October 5. Nong Kia, Laos. A sleepy river town surrounded by dramatic limestone mountains. Nong Kia is what Laos felt like 20 years ago. Life moves slowly here. Sunsets glow over the Nam O River. And hiking trails lead to viewpoints above the clouds. Cost. Guest houses from $10-20, meals $2-3. How to get there. Bus from Luang Prabang. Best time. October to March 6. Muang Ngoi, Laos. Accessible only by boat. Muang Ngoi has no roads in and no rush to leave. Wooden houses line the river. Children swim at sunset. And nights glow with lantern light. Cost. Bungalows from $8-15, meals $2. How to get there. Boat from Nong Kia. Best time. November to February 7. Kratie, Cambodia. Kratie is where you find Cambodia's rare Irrawaddy dolphins. And where life flows with the Mekong River. Cycling paths follow the water. Floating villages drift past. And sunsets feel endless. Cost. Hotels from $15-30, meals $2-4. How to get there. Bus from Phnom Penh. Best time. December to May 8. Koh Rong Sanloem, Cambodia. Not to be confused with its party neighbor, Sanloem is Cambodia's quiet island. No cars. No traffic. Only soft sand, calm waves, and stars at night. Cost. Bungalows from $20-40, meals $4-6. How to get there. Boat from Sihanoukville. Best time. November to April 9. Siquijor, Philippines. Once feared for its folklore, now loved for its waterfalls, beaches, and jungle roads. Sakihar is peaceful, mystical, and stunning. Sunsets burn orange. Waterfalls hide in the forest. Cost. Hotels from $15 minus 30 meals $3 minus 5 How to get there. Ferry from Dumaguete or Bohol best time. December to May 10. Camiguin, Philippines. Camiguin is the island born of volcanoes. Hot springs, waterfalls, black sand beaches, and mountain views, all on one tiny island. Tourists barely reach it. But those who do, never forget it. Cost. Hotels from $15 minus 35 meals $3 minus 5 How to get there. Flight from Cebu or ferry from Mindanao best time. March to June 11. Sagada, Philippines. In the Cordillera Mountains lies Sagada, a town of caves, cliffs, and hanging coffins. Misty mornings. Mountain air. Echoing valleys. This is the Philippines without beaches, and just as magical. Cost. Guest houses from $10 minus 25 meals $3 minus 4 How to get there. Overnight bus from Manila best time. November to February 12. Koh Mak, Thailand. Between Koh Chong and Koh Kood, Koh Mak lives quietly. Flat roads for cycling. Palm-lined beaches. And families who've owned land for generations. It's Thailand without chaos. Cost. Hotels from $30 minus 60 meals $4 minus 7 How to get there. Boat from Trat best time to visit November to April. Of all these places, one stands apart. Con Dao, Vietnam. An island where history meets untouched nature. Where prison ruins overlook coral reefs. Where silence feels sacred. If there's one place you should visit before the crowds arrive, it's Con Dao. Conclusion. Southeast Asia is more than famous cities and party beaches. It's river villages, mountain valleys, forgotten islands. And in 2026, these places won't stay secret forever. So go now. Travel deeper. And experience the Asia most tourists never will. Which hidden gem would you visit first? Comment below and tell me. And if you love discovering places before the world finds them, subscribe to Rosfali Travel Vlog for cinematic journeys and hidden destinations across the globe. Your next adventure starts here.